This is my 1 year update of blogging and how it's been going and how I see the future of it. So one thing I've taken from blogging is how much I've learned. Like, I've learned WordPress, I've been improving my designs, learning SEO, connecting with loads of people, and it's just been such an awesome opportunity to learn so much. So I really value that. One thing is that I've been earning bits of money on and off, so that's been really good. I've probably broken even. But one of the things is, say with affiliate revenue, is that some platforms won't let you take the money out until, say, you've earned $100, which means even though I've been earning money, I can't actually access it until I've got $100. And with affiliate marketing, you kind of earn $1 here, $3 here. So you have to make a lot of sales before you can even access that money. So that's the difference with digital products. Like, I can get that money basically straight away. Another thing is that I've been earning a little bit of money through ad revenue, not a massive amount, but it's certainly been a little bit of amount that could help towards the hosting costs. So recently things have changed. So my traffic was gradually increasing. I had some sort of strategy of sort of what type of content I was going to do to try and improve my blog and sort of improve my traffic on Pinterest. But the last, say, month or two, my traffic has just been on a decline and there doesn't seem to be anything I can do about it. And what I've realized is I've been seeing, because I'm part of a few Pinterest groups, which I would highly recommend doing if you are thinking of using Pinterest, is that a lot of other people are seeing their traffic go down. So this can either be the summer slump. I would say if you are looking to do blogging on Pinterest, definitely choose the niches that are really popular. So decor, fashion, art, photography, nails is huge. It seems to always be a trending topic on Pinterest. So if you're into nails, and recipes. So if you're if you're a food blogger, then definitely Pinterest is definitely more suited to those niches. Otherwise, you're going to really struggle to get traffic from it. I'm just going to be honest there. Like, it definitely will be more of a slog. I'm feeling a bit demoralized about my blog because basically things are going down, however hard I'm working on it. And that just doesn't, I don't really see much of a future in it for that particular blog. I could certainly try a different blog in a different niche, so that's another option. I would say blogging is definitely not dead because I've certainly made money blogging. I would just say it's awesome to have an asset that I've built that I own, but I feel when you're trying to build traffic online, you're still at the whim of algorithm changes, or say, for example, I've been trying Facebook for traffic and it's definitely a pay to play platform. As soon as I stop the ads, that's it. I get no basically views, no new followers or anything. And I was getting a little bit of traffic to my blog, but only if I had an ad that was running directly to my website. So I was hoping to build up a page with a certain amount of followers, but it's going to cost a lot of money. That's the thing. And then you have to be able to make the money back with the traffic later on. So yeah, I'm talking like, I worked it out. For me at the moment, it's probably thousands of dollars. Maybe it could be hundreds of dollars if you're really good at ads. So I'm not sure if it's the best way when you're trying to start out without spending money on ads. So, and definitely I feel reach is pretty much very low, which is what everybody says online. So I still think Pinterest is one of the best free places to get traffic, definitely, because I've got free traffic using it. So, and it will continue to drive traffic to my blog without running ads until recently. So either they don't like my account or something. But yeah, like I said, there's a few people. So we're just going to see what happens, and I'll try to give you an update if I hear anything else about Pinterest, what's going on with it. But I hope you found this useful. If you do want to start your own blog or your own business, digital marketing, some digital products, I've got loads of free resources on my blog, so I will leave that down below so you can go check it out. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it will really help me out. And until next time, take care. Bye.